Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful for you. So please watch the video till end. And the only request to you is to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me, so that I bring you much more informative and much more useful video in future also. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So my dear students, let's have a quick recapitulation of the work which we have done in our last video. So my dear students, in last video we had studied the difference between single displacement and double displacement reactions. So let me tell you again that in single displacement reactions, what happens that more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal and takes its position. And in double displacement reactions, what happens, both the metals, irrespective of their reactivity, displace each other. Once again, in double displacement reactions, both the metals, irrespective of their reactivity, displace each other. And second point was that in single displacement reactions, no precipitates are formed. And in double displacement reactions, one of the two products is actually of precipitations. So this we have done in our previous video, and we have also done a difference between decomposition reactions and combination reactions. So in decomposition reactions, single substance splits up into two or more substances, and in combination reactions, two substances combine to form a single substance. And second point was that decomposition reactions are always endothermic. That is, to actually carry out decomposition reactions, we always require energy in the form of heat, light or electricity. And in combination reactions may be endothermic, may be exothermic. That means heat may be required or heat may be released. And apart from this, my dear students, we had also done some important questions which may be asked in exams, and which are also important to reinforce your understanding of these topics, that is types of chemical reactions. So please watch our previous video so that you understand all these things which I have discussed. So our today's video is oxidation and reduction reactions. This is type number 5, oxidation and reduction reactions, also known as redox reactions. So my dear students, let me tell you what are oxidation and reduction reactions. So those reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously are known as oxidation and reduction reactions. Once again, those reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously are known as oxidation and reduction reactions. So let me write this. Those chemical reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. at the same time are known as oxidation and reduction reactions. And reduction reactions. So my dear students, this is the definition of oxidation and reduction reactions. So now in oxidation and reduction reactions, as the name implies itself, oxidation and reduction, there are two things which are coming, very important to understand: oxidation and reduction. So let's understand these terms to understand further in detail these chemical reactions. Let's first understand what is oxidation and what is reduction. So what is oxidation? Oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. My dear students, please remember this. Write this 10 times, 20 times so that you come to learn this. So addition of oxidation, removal of hydrogen. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. So this is what oxidation and this is oxidation. My dear students, I have actually earlier also told you this thing that science and mathematics or anything which you want to learn, any other subject also. So if you do particularly these two subjects, science and mathematics, you study them by writing. For example, if you want to learn any topic, then first you learn that, after that you must write that. So writing is very, very important in these subjects. So please write. For example, you are learning this oxidation, so write this phrase 10 times, 20 times. So this is oxidation. And what is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is what? Reduction. And oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So in oxidation, two things are required, are involved. First is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. And in reduction also, reduction is the opposite of oxidation. Here addition of oxygen, here removal of hydrogen. Here addition of oxygen, here removal of oxygen. So these reactions are opposite to each other. So now let's understand oxidation, these one by one with some examples. What is oxidation and what is reduction? So let's understand oxidation through some examples. So oxidation, first was addition of oxygen. Oxygen. Let's understand this through some examples. For example, sodium plus oxygen is equal to sodium oxide. Sodium plus oxygen is equal to sodium oxide. Now, my dear students, now here there is addition of oxygen and we are getting sodium oxide. So addition of oxygen. So this is actually oxidation. At the same time, this is also combination reaction because reactants are combining two reactants, one product. So combination reaction. So this is both oxidation as well as combination reaction. Similarly, magnesium plus oxygen is equal to magnesium oxide. So addition of oxygen is there. So this reaction is oxidation. At the same time, this is also combination reaction. Similarly, you can say aluminium plus oxygen is equal to aluminium oxide. Similarly, copper plus oxygen is equal to copper oxide. So all these reactions are oxidation reactions in which there is addition of oxygen. So I think this is clear. Second is removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is also oxidation. So let's understand removal of hydrogen through some examples. Removal of hydrogen. This is also actually oxidation. So my dear students, keep these 2 points in your brain. One is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. For example, we have HCl, H2 plus Cl2. Now here hydrogen got separated from chlorine. So removal of hydrogen. So this is actually oxidation. This is again oxidation, removal of hydrogen. And at the same time, my dear students, if you understand, then you can also say that this is decomposition reaction because one reactant and two products. So this reaction is both oxidation as well as decomposition reaction. Similarly, we can say H2S, hydrogen plus sulfur. Again, removal of hydrogen. So this is again oxidation and also decomposition reaction. Similarly, we can write HF, hydrogen fluoride. So again H2 plus fluorine. Hydrogen phosphide, H2 plus fluorine. So here also removal of hydrogen. So this is also actually oxidation reaction. So my dear students, I think that this is clear to you. This is all about oxidation reactions with examples. So addition of oxygen, oxidation, removal of hydrogen, again oxidation. Then we have, so I think this is clear to you. Then we have reduction. So reduction is the opposite of oxidation. In reduction, what is reduction? Addition of hydrogen. or removal of oxygen. So let's understand this also through some examples, some chemical reactions. So reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Let me write this. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. This is reduction. So let's understand addition of hydrogen through some examples. So addition of hydrogen. So let's understand reduction by addition of hydrogen through some examples. For example, we have hydrogen plus sulfur is equal to hydrogen sulfide. Similarly, we have hydrogen. Now here in this reaction, what is happening? That hydrogen is getting added. So hydrogen sulfide is getting formed. So hydrogen is getting added. So this reaction is reduction. And at the same time, this is also combination reaction. Similarly, hydrogen plus chlorine, HCl. Again, hydrogen is getting added. So reduction. Similarly, we can write hydrogen plus fluorine, hydrogen fluoride. So again, this is reduction reaction because hydrogen is getting added. Similarly, hydrogen plus phosphorus is equal to H3F, hydrogen phosphide. So here also in this reaction, hydrogen is getting added. So this is also reduction. Now we understand, let's understand this reduction through removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen is again reduction. My dear students, keep these things in your brain. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen, and cram these things actually. There is nothing to understand these, that why this is oxidation, why this is reduction. Just cram this. Removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen, for example, magnesium oxide. So magnesium plus oxygen. Here oxygen is getting separated, removed. So this is reduction. And at the same time, one reactant, two products, decomposition reaction. Similarly, my dear students, copper oxide, copper plus oxygen, aluminium, aluminium plus oxygen. Similarly, iron oxide, so iron plus oxygen. So again, removal of oxygen, so reduction. So these all reactions where there is addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen are all reduction reactions. So my dear students, what I have taught you today, I think is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt in any point here, then please write in comment box. So that this is all for today. So my dear students, if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you very much for watching our video. So keep learning, keep watching our videos and keep growing. Thank you.